As tourism numbers continue to flatline, hotels have been forced to improvise. In some rooms, the beds are gone, replaced with desks reconfigured into working spaces. They're providing professionals with a place to operate away from distractions.
It's check-in time at the WOOLLOOMOOLOO Hotel in Sydney. But for ALMIRA Armstrong, this is a very different kind of midweek retreat. The rooms here have been transformed into productivity hubs.
Being able to find flexible space that's kind of close to home, it gives you the opportunity to be able to really go and do what you need and really focus.
There's also another unique selling point for parents: peace and quiet.
My kids are 8 and 5, so they're constantly at me.
When you're working from home, it's very easy to blur the boundaries and it creates quite a lot of tension.
The hotel is just one of more than 5,000 venues across Australia partnering with Spacenow, a company which lists office spaces whether you need them for a month or an hour.
Having a space you can book flexibly is a good in-between before you go all the way back into an office space, if that's what's going to happen.
This is peak hour in the heart of Sydney, and once upon a time these streets, well, they'd be packed, full of people heading to work. But despite being given the green light to return to the office, the city is still relatively empty. There's nobody down here, and there's even fewer up there. Right now, 60% of leased offices across the country are empty. They're not unoccupied, companies are still paying for the space, they're just choosing not to use it, leaving professionals grateful for a place to concentrate when working from home just isn't working. KRISTIAN, GAUPSET, 7 News.